Lenovo has a brand new entry in their highest end gaming laptop. This is the Lenovo Legion 9i. So the Legion 9i is the highest end gaming laptop that Lenovo offers, and they have some new options for 2025 that elevate it even further. First and foremost, if you couldn't tell, this is a 18-inch screen. This is large, it is beautiful. It is 3840 by 2400, so 16 by 10 aspect ratio, which I do enjoy. And then because of that, they are able to have a little extra space here on the top to have a bigger trackpad, enhanced cooling for the internals that are in here. Speaking of internals, they have on the CPU side, they have up to a Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, so the top end of the laptop lineup, Air Lake parts. And for the GPU, they have up to a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop part. So these are both the highest end parts that you can get in a gaming laptop to drive what you're going to put on this big, beautiful display. So for display options, there are actually two. You can either get it in 4K, so that is 3840 by 2400, and that can go up to a 240 hertz refresh rate panel. But if you want to pony out the dough for a 3D display, which I actually can't show you here on video, but they do have a 3D option to be able to play your 3D movies and games. That comes in at a 1920 by 1200 and at a 440 hertz refresh rate, so super high end. This is a G-Sync panel. This is HDR 400 certified, but then also DCI-P3 color gamut. So this is just super beautiful. The colors on it are very vibrant and rich, and yeah, this is definitely the highest end option that you can get. Lenovo was kind enough to show me the inside of here, because there is a impressive amount of fans and coolings. This does have a 99 watt-hour battery, so the highest you can get on a plane. It has 6 speakers located around the device. It has 2 large fans over here connecting the vapor chambers and heat pipes. It does say, warning, there is liquid metal, so you know, take caution if you're going to try to service it, but liquid metal on this device is going to definitely be a must. And then these extra 2 fans here. It does have an SSD underneath a little heat shield there, and so yeah, I wish I could tear it down a little bit further, but man, this is a sight to behold. Let's look on the ports. We're looking at the right side first, and starting off over here, we have a privacy toggle. So this is giving a visual indicator on the screen to say that the webcam is off in this position. It has 1 Type-C port, and this is rated at 10 megabit per second. It has a full-size SD card reader, which thumbs up, I like that, and 2 Type-A ports rated at 10 megabit per second. Along the back, you can see that is where the majority of the venting is housed, but we do have 2 ports, 1 HDMI and 1 for the charger. I will show you the charger in a second. And along the left side, we have 1 Type-A port. This is also rated at 10 megabit per second. We have a drop jaw Ethernet jack. This is a gigabit Ethernet jack, a Courageous headphone jack, and 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports. I feel like Thunderbolt 5 adoption has been unfortunately kind of slow, so it is really nice to start seeing some gaming laptops with Thunderbolt 5 integrated. And this is the 400 watt charger to power this device. This is a large charger, but I will say that it doesn't feel super heavy or super massive. I mean, especially considering this is a desktop replacement, so it is mostly just going to hang out somewhere on your desk. And the last thing to note is the pricing. I don't have the final pricing right now because we're recording this a little earlier, but Lenovo is telling me it's going to clock in somewhere around $4,000 because this is the best of the best that you can get out there for a high-end gaming laptop. So you're going to pay a pretty penny to get that highest end device on your desk. When can you get it? They're telling me that it kind of differs depending on the location that you're going to be, but it should be within a couple months of today's date. So that's it for the Lenovo Legion 9i gaming laptop. And if you did like this video and you want to watch more videos about laptops, then be sure to subscribe here on PCWorld. And while you're at it, hit this next little video. Watch what we got going on over here.